Welcome to the ClearCheckbook tutorial series. ClearCheckbook is an application that helps you manage your finances online. Today we'll talk about the differences between accounts and categories and how you can customize them to fit your specific needs. Here's how you can remember the difference between accounts and categories. Accounts refer to any account where you deposit or withdraw money. This can be anything from a Wells Fargo savings account to a Capital One credit card to a Charles Schwab brokerage account. Categories refer to income or expense categories which can be used for budgets and reports. Examples of categories would be groceries or rent. To get started with managing your accounts, click on Settings at the top right side of the page, then click on Accounts. When you create your ClearCheckbook login, we automatically add 4 default accounts. These default accounts are cash, checking, savings, and credit card. You can use these accounts on their own or edit them so they're more tailored to your specific needs. To edit an existing account, click on the Manage link on the right side of the account. This will bring up the edit form where you can change all the details about the account. If you need to delete an account, you can also do it from within this Manage view. When you delete an account, you can opt to delete the account and all the associated transactions, or just the account itself. If you just delete the account, any transactions associated with that account will be labeled as no account. To add a new account, use the form at the top of the Accounts page to enter the details of your account. The account type is mostly a reference for you, but certain account types, like credit card, do provide extra features. You may have noticed an option in the Add Account form that mentions connecting your bank. We do offer the ability to connect your bank to ClearCheckbook and have all of your transactions sync over. We go into more details about this in a separate video which can be found in our YouTube channel. If you're a ClearCheckbook Premium member, you'll have the ability to create account groups to help organize your accounts. Your account groups will show up on the account overviews and in various search and report forms. In the account overviews, you'll see separate balances for the entire group. This is extremely helpful for organizing the same kinds of accounts, such as credit cards, or separating joint from personal accounts. If you have accounts in different currencies, you can set which currency is the site default and select the currency for individual accounts. Currency conversions are updated nightly, but you can manage them manually through the Currency Conversion Settings page. Now on to categories. You can find the Category Management page by clicking on Settings at the top right side of the page, then click on Categories. Like accounts, we create several default parent and subcategories that are a great starting point for most of our customers, but you can customize your categories to fit your exact needs. Adding new categories is done through the Create Category form at the top of the page. If you want to add a parent category, leave the parent field set to No Parent. To add a subcategory, enter the category name and then select the desired parent from the parent drop-down list. Below the Create Category form is a list of all your existing categories. You can modify the name and parent associated with the category as well as mark it as inactive if you don't want to see it in your category list. Deleting a category is as easy as clicking Delete on the right side of the category. Deleting a category will not remove any transactions assigned to that category. Those transactions will simply have the category removed from them. If you have multiple redundant categories, you can merge them together using the Merge Categories section. Here, you'll pick at least one category to merge from and which category to merge it into. Once merged, any transactions that contain the From category will now have the new category assigned to it. Now that we've set up our accounts and categories, let's see how it looks when we add a transaction. Opening the Add Transaction form, enter the details of your transaction. In the Account field, you'll see all of the accounts you set up. Select the account this purchase or payment is being made for. Next, select which category this transaction applies to. When you save the transaction, you'll see those details in your transaction register. The account balances will update for that account, and then any budgets and reports set up for the account or category will also be updated. If you have more questions about accounts and categories in ClearCheckbook, check out the Help section on our website.